Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. Today in this video we learn CSS background property. Background property used to define the background effects on element. In background there are number of property used in CSS. Background color, background image, background repeat, background attachment and background position. Let's see one by one. I am right here HTML code. In this example I am right internal CSS, that's why I am right here style tag. Here I am right s2 tag. In that I am right CSS background property. After that I am right here p tag paragraph and write here some paragraph here. Okay. After that I am right first property background color. I am right here s2 tag and p tag. Background color I am set here yellow. Open browser and see we get the yellow color for s2 and p tag. Background color property used to specify the background color of element. After that another property is background image. Background image property used to set an image as an background of element. I am right here body tag. In that I am right background image. In that I am right sample one name of file image file sample1 dot jpg. Open browser and see background image set the image of background. After that another property is background repeat. This property used to repeats the background image horizontally and vertically. Here am right background repeat for horizontally right repeat X. Open browser, it horizontally repeated. For vertically right here repeat Y. It repeats the image vertically. For no repeat, it's not repeated. After that, another property is background attachment. I am right here background attachment fix. When we use background attachment to fix, image will not move during scrolling. When we scroll, that time image is not scroll. Another value of background attachment is scroll. And another is local. When we use local value, then image is scroll with paragraph means content. After that, another property is background position. I am right here, its value is center. Image is set to center. Another value is right. Image set to right. Same way we can write here bottom. Now image set to bottom. In this way we can use number of background property. Like video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.